In this video tutorial, we are going to continue on scale lessons. But we focus on scaling the body. Scaling face and edge of the body. In the design area, I have created a door hinge, and it was combined with a bottom plate, top plate and a pin. I will hide button and the top plate. I will use the pin to show you. To scale the body, click to select the body in the item manager. Click scale. Click and drag the handle to adjust the pin size. You can increase or decrease the size of the pin. If you want to change the pivot point of scaling, click the and drag the white circle dot to move to the exact location and then release the mouse. Click the design area to deselect. To scale the face of the body, click to select the face that you would like to scale. Click scale. Click and drag the handle to define the percentage to decrease or increase. Click the design area to deselect. To scale the edge, click to select the edge that you would like to scale. Click scale. Click and drag the handle to define the percentage to decrease or increase. Click the design area to deselect.